Hello, hello, friends and fans. So, some exciting news. It looks like we're moving up in the world here at the Singing Clockery, because what I'm about to present to you all is a huge upgrade to my clock collection. Presenting today is a circa 1901 to 1905 German bracket clock by the Winterhalder and Hofmeier, I believe is how you pronounce it, clock company out of Schwarzenbach, Germany. Now, in the clock world, Winterhalder is known as one of the top handful of German clockmakers around that time. Winterhalder themselves had a very long history, but they didn't really start a chiming clock factory, from what I've been able to find out, until about the 1880s. And they built clocks that were of the highest quality, well-made, beautiful looking, with huge beefy movements, and this is no exception to this. This one is a regular spring-powered movement, albeit the springs are tremendously large. I'll tell you right now, winding this thing is no joke. And it has a feature that I've been wanting in a clock for basically since I first started collecting, which is it chimes, Westminster and Whittington in this case, not on chime rods, but all on coiled gongs. And I'll tell you, this thing, it just sounds amazing. I've heard coiled gongs on videos before, and they don't hold a candle to how it actually sounds in person. So I am very excited to have this. I hope I enjoy it for years and years to come, and I hope you enjoy.